How to create Binance Web3 wallet. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, make sure to download and install Binance app from your Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Now tap to open it. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap Binance logo at top left corner of the screen and you will see the option of more services. Select that. And from the services section, you'll be able to get Web3 wallet option. Currently, there is no such option on my device, but if you have got that, you need to tap create wallet button and then complete the 5-second process to proceed and enter your email code and Google Authenticator code, then tap submit. Then your Web3 wallet will be now created. So you need to note that backing up your wallet to Google Drive is very important, which ensures recovery in case the app is deleted or your device is damaged. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.